Alright, changing your ND filter on the Mavic 2 Pro is absurdly easy. It's right there. Turn your drone upside down. You're going to press on that corner and that corner as you twist. Pull it off. Grab one of your other ND filters. Make sure that the writing on the ND filter is in the right orientation. You're just going to push down on both edges and twist. That edge and that edge right there. That's it. That is how you change the ND filter on your Mavic 2 Pro. Couldn't it be simpler? I guess it could be, but it's pretty simple.